Hi guys, this video is an extension of my last two videos where I help you visualize a mindset that you're going to have before stepping into Facebook ads. Now today what we're going to talk about is basically three things. Let's get right into it. Facebook ads, the third module. Firstly, budget distribution. When you start running ads on Facebook, you're going to have different budgets for brand awareness and sales. Because what's going to happen if you do not have different budgets for brand awareness and sales, you're going to look at the entire thing as one whole budget, and you will see that overall you're not efficiently spending. It's not making sense. But when you bifurcate into brand awareness and sales, you realize that this is to build your reputation. And then you have a different KPI here that, I've reached so many people, so many relevant people, and this is the, sentiment of the response that I've gotten. And here what you do is you retarget those people or retarget new people, and legit your KPI is the revenue generated. So if you feel like, make this budget not great and make this budget, probably 60% or 70%, but have different budgets, because both aspects are super important. Next thing I want to talk about is personal branding. See, digital marketing is at the end of the day is a process of it's an ongoing process where you keep testing different messaging, right? And a quick hack here is something that the hack that we've used ourselves is we took our personal brands out there and we related it with the profession that we have. If since I am teaching marketing, I went out there on Instagram and started putting content out there. Now that gave me a very special setting of mind where I think of it as a lab where I keep putting content and content that is aimed at my audience, and I keep gauging the reactions and the engagement and the various behavioral responses that I'm getting from my audience. So here I can legit test my content and build an understanding of what content's likely to work without spending on ads all the time. So if you can relate your personal brand with the business's brand, it's a very effective way to boost your advertising eventually, because you will get a sense of what kind of content your audience is reacting to. So at the end, what I'm trying to say is become the face of your brand. By relating your personal and business brand, you're becoming the face of your brand, right? At early stages, 100% recommend this. But why? Building a personal brand is hard work indeed. You gotta act like an influencer and do stuff, but you don't really have to be an influencer. Just understand the fact that you can put out content that just simply talks to your audience and put it out there via your own Instagram profile. It's just a fast track way to success. As an influencer, your revenue source is your Instagram profile. I'm not putting that much pressure on you. I'm just asking you to create a lab of your own where you test different content types. So, I promise you it will pay off in the long run. Next thing I want to talk about is content creation. So, how do you get better at content creation? You become a content machine. What do I mean by content machine? You just go out there and create and iterate as much as you can, because with every iteration you'll only get better. And what I mean by an iteration is run a full cycle of throwing that content on the audience, observing their behavior towards it and responses towards it, and incorporating your observations in your next content piece, so you'll get better. Just go out there and produce a lot of content. Keep testing. Just push yourself, put something out there, test the observation, and note down your results so that your ads can become more efficient. That's all. See you guys.